You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hello and welcome to Lucky Mini Food.
And thanks for stopping by the miniature kitchen today.
Yeah, today we are making Italian sausage with peppers.
Ooh, that sounds good. Probably one of my favorite dishes.
Yes, you say that a lot.
I do. I say it probably every video. Because we're going to cook things we like to cook, right?
Yeah, we have a lot of favorites.
Yes, I guess so. All right, so the first thing I like to do when I normally make this is cook the Italian sausage first. So let's do that.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm going to cut this up to about 4 pieces, but we'll see what we get. Time for the sausage.
All right, while the sausage is cooking, Audrey is going to start chopping up the veggies. Let me take a look. She had put me in charge now of cooking the sausage. It's looking pretty good.
There's like no seeds in these.
Nice.
Now I'm going to do the onion and garlic.
Ooh, the sausage is looking really good, huh?
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna brown this up a little bit more, and then we're gonna go on to your peppers, onions, and garlic. I think we're close here. I'm gonna put in the other two, so we'll be right back. Oh, you know what? Let me zoom into you cutting up that next onion, all right?
Okay.
Well, I gotta get my pan. Can you move over just a little?
Yeah.
Thanks, honey. Starting to cry yet?
No, not yet. Okay, I'm gonna check it, and I think it's done, so take it out. I think I'm just going to start right away here with the veggies. Okay, it's all set. Now we're going to put it together and get it in the oven.
Alright, so the last step now is putting it all in a little roasting pan.
Okay, I'll do the sausage.
That looks good. Okay, and then I'll get this in, and then you can top it off with a few more liquids.
Okay.
That looks good. You want to add just a little bit of water. It kind of gives a little moisture and will create some nice juices on the bottom with the oil.
Okay. That's good.
Yep.
And a little bit of butter.
Well, let me hold this up so everybody can see how nice that looks. Beautiful.
Yeah.
All right, so about 10 to 15 minutes in the oven, and we'll head over to the tasting table. Let's do it.
All right, here we go. Dinner's going in the oven. Welcome back.
I have to say I'm pretty excited about this.
I love it when you make this. For
And now
dinner.
this time was all yours. Ooh, look at that. Where do we begin?
I don't know.
All right, how many pieces of sausage do you want?
Probably like 5.
There's only 5 there.
I know, I'm just kidding.
All right, you can have this one, all right?
Ooh, that one looks like...
And then I will take one. Now we browned them in a pan first just to give them a little bit of color. Ooh, look, see all the juice on the bottom now?
Oh, yeah.
You want some of this extra
let me
stuff?
rip up the bread.
There you
Speaking
go.
of juice.
Here, can you hand me our guest plate there?
Oh, sure, here.
Don't go anywhere. I want to give him a couple peppers. There you
Okay.
go.
And some bread to soak up the juice.
Yeah, definitely.
There you go.
Let me see if I can get you some juice out of this. Let me move this here.
Oh, yeah, the juice is the best part.
It is. Look at that. That's why you add just a little bit of water to kind of give it a little extra. There we go. All right.
Okay.
Ooh. Here we go. 5 pieces, huh? Talk about not sharing.
Probably be the equivalent of 1 full sausage.
Yeah, you're right.
Looks good.
Okay, little pepper, onion. It's hard to get it all on these little forks, isn't it? All right, here, my first taste.
Yep. Yum, yum.
That is good. You like it?
That's delicious. I love it. Go from the other side.
Let's see if I can get this in here and get a little juice.
Oh yeah, I'll do my bread and the juice.
Nice. Super tasty. I guess we could finish this whole thing right here, huh?
Yeah.
Well, does it meet your expectations?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Excellent. Oops.
I really like it.
I wonder what we're going to do next. We have no decisions on the next video.
No.
We'll have to... What, another dessert maybe?
Yeah, maybe it was dessert.
Tasty. All right. Great job.
Yeah, success. Definitely.
Thanks for joining me in the mini kitchen.
Yeah, thanks for joining me.
You're welcome.
And until we see you next time,
Happy eating!
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS Dave,
What's up, Butch?
make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.